Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Face ID on iPhone. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. You will then be prompted to enter your device passcode. Once inside, look for the option that says Reset Face ID. This action will completely erase your current Face ID data, allowing you to start fresh with a new setup. After tapping Reset Face ID, a confirmation message will appear. Confirm your choice to proceed. Your iPhone will then guide you through the initial steps of setting up a new Face ID. Make sure your face is centered within the on-screen frame and that there are no obstructions. This ensures the true depth camera can accurately capture your facial features for the new enrollment process. The setup process involves two distinct scans of your face. For the first scan, slowly move your head in a circular motion to capture all angles. Once the first scan is complete, you will be prompted to perform a second scan, repeating the same motion. After both scans are successfully registered, your new Face ID will be ready for use, providing secure and convenient authentication for your device. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your true depth camera, located at the top of your iPhone screen, is clean and unobstructed. Good lighting is also crucial for accurate scanning. For enhanced reliability, especially if your appearance changes frequently, consider setting up an alternate appearance within the Face ID settings. This provides your iPhone with two distinct facial profiles for improved recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.